Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cooking tools with Sur La Table, complete guide step by step clearly. Looking to save on cooking tools? Sur La Table offers various strategies. Start by signing up for their email newsletter. This often grants access to exclusive discounts and alerts for sales. Next, check their clearance section regularly. You can find high-quality items at significantly reduced prices. Consider shopping during major holidays. Sur La Table frequently hosts sales for Labor Day, Black Friday, and more. Join their rewards program for even more savings. Accumulate points on every purchase to earn discounts on future orders. Take advantage of price matching. If you find a better price elsewhere, Sur La Table may match it. Sign up for their cooking classes. Participants often receive discounts on tools used during the classes. Explore their store locator to find local events. Local events can include special sales or product demonstrations. Always search for available promo codes before checking out. Follow Sur La Table on social media for flash sales. These sales are often time limited and offer significant savings. Lastly, consider buying in bulk. Purchasing multiple items at once can lead to discounts. By following these steps, you'll maximize your savings on cooking tools from Sur La Table. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.